Straighten up in here a little bit. I'm not going to do all the dishes. I don't have time. I'm going to straighten up in here, straighten up the bed, the desk, maybe the living room a little bit. Everything's messy today. Everything. Got a ton of returns. I keep my to-do list on a post-it note because I don't want to delude myself into thinking that I can get a full page paper's worth of things done in a day. I'm gonna box up my clothes that I've decluttered and get them all the way out of my house. Some are out of the house, some are in the trunk of my car, some are in the back seat of my car. A couple are in bags in the living room. And I was gonna sell, these are the clothes I was gonna sell. The clothes that I was to donate have already been donated, but I had a lot of things that still had tags on them, and I thought I would sell those things, take them to local consignment shops here in LA. But I don't like going to the consignment shops. It's so stressful. They're so picky. They're so judgy. Like, they don't take hardly anything. It's not a fun experience. So I'm gonna try this company that you can mail in your clothes. I already printed out the label, so that's the first hurdle. I printed out the label. Now I just need to find a box that can fit up to 30 pounds worth of clothes. I have no concept of how much clothes that is. I need packing tape, and then I just need to drop it off at like a FedEx. So that's on my list. Pack the clothes. Check car for clothes, get packing tape, get a box. And then I need to mail a check to my therapist. I mail so few things, like actually envelopes, that I really need to sit down, write the check, put it in an envelope, find my stamps, put a stamp on it, and put it in the mail. So let's start small. I have another box here of a few other items that I used when I was doing pole dancing as a hobby. But I'm not doing it right now, and I don't really feel like these were for performances, and I don't really need these clothes anymore. So I'm trying to decide what will I do with them. I think I'm gonna scour my car and just see if there's anything else for me sitting in there that I'm supposed to declutter. Maybe I'll just drop a box off at Goodwill with those dancer type items and anything else I can find. Let me add that. Box of dancing clothes. All right, it's about 11 a.m. I am going to change and I'm gonna get dressed, get some food. Let's get some things crossed off the list. Alrighty, let's go.
My desk right now. Just so you know, like, once I make something nice and pretty, it doesn't mean that it's gonna stay that way. It's usually not this bad though, I swear.
bag of clothes I was supposed to sell. Some of the items from my kitchen declutter. I don't know why these are still in the car. Laptops, I need to destroy the hard drive. Just things that require extra steps. I'm going to push the car into a river in the middle of the night, and that should take care of it. They do it on Ozark all the time, and that's my plan. Yes. Carrots, cucumber, cabbage. Right now I'm carrying up the clothes that have been sitting in the trunk of my car because I'm going to be mailing these in, and I'm taking the 2 bags that have been sitting in the living room from my last closet declutter that happened about a month ago. This is the box that I just picked up at Staples. At this point, I don't know that I've bought the wrong size, but I'm about to find out. Oh, damn it. This is the wrong size. I decided to go ahead and put the clothes into the box so I could put it on my scale and weigh it, but that was dumb. Now I've brought in a couple of other boxes because I thought maybe I could fit all of those clothes into a smaller box. Also not the smartest move. I could have just put the bag on the scale. I just basically put bag of clothes into a box of clothes, and then I'm going to take the clothes out of the box and put them back into the bag. Like, what am I even doing here? Game plan keeps changing, y'all. I'm now going to decluttering completion time. Oh my, it's already 2:45. I have the worst allergies today. I can't stop sneezing. We're going to the little library up the street to drop off books. And then we're gonna go back to Staples to get the right size box. I've got my packing tape, and we're gonna go to FedEx to drop off the box. And then we're gonna go to Goodwill to drop off a bag for donations. This is stuff that's been sitting in corners, stuff that has been compiled for drop off that just has not made it to its destination. So we're gonna get done today. Oh my God! Freeway! That's so bad, the allergies. Damn, I've been working today. I think what makes it exponentially harder is, wait, is this the street? Yeah. Is living upstairs. I guess people have 2-story homes. I always wanted a 2-story home as a kid. Mainly because I wanted to slide down the staircase on my butt. As an adult, I wouldn't mind a 2-story home either. It is a gorgeous day out. Wow, 66 degrees. Oh, it's so pretty.
Books that have been in my car for, I don't know, months have now been donated to the little library. And one board game, Throw Burrito, which was a big mistake. Some kid is gonna love that game. Goodbye, thank you, items, goodbye. Now, Staples, right size box. Girl, done dropped off the clothes. Yes, queens. Okay, the car's still messy, but that's okay. One thing at a time. Wow, all of those clothes are out of my life. Oh shit, no. I still gotta go to, where am I going? I'm gonna go to Goodwill right now. Let's go to Goodwill. It's 3:40. Let's get there before they close. All right. Let's do this whole bag. I'm not even gonna look. I don't even want to look. I already know it's all recyclables. Bag of clothes. Recyclables. What the hell is this? Oh, someone gave me this. Oh God. Declutter. The Goodwill by me is at capacity. I'm having, I don't know if I'm getting sick or if I'm having just the world's worst allergies. I took an allergy pill and I just cannot, my nose will not stop running. I'm gonna have to find another place to do this donation because this place is at capacity. Where is there another? Let me look it up. Oh my God, I just want to take a shower. I want to get my nails done. I want to have my car deep cleaned, and I'm going to do my closet this week if I'm not getting a cold. Gonna go do some returns. Going to do a bunch of returns. Yolanda's on her way to pick me up. Oh my God, I have a camera. This is today's outfit. Oh my God. Hashtag influencer. How do they do it where they get their face? Oh, you gotta do it over here. Okay. Hat, jacket. Pretty clean. This is pretty clean. For me, looking pretty good.
That bag is almost as big as you.
Oh my God, I know this is the best bag ever. Yeah, one scan looks good after one beam. Returned that jumper from 2 years ago that I never wore.